Hi photographers! So welcome back to our channel.
And this time, Ram will be doing his
Portrait Your Mama Challenge using the Zenfone Light from ASUS Philippines.
Yes, thank you very much, ASUS. For more photography related contents,
Hit like and subscribe.
So we're done with our shoot for tonight, and
It's already, wala ko balo sa oras.
Basta gabi na siya.
Basta gabi na, so it's already like 9 p.m.
And it's raining outside.
Right,
You can hear
yeah,
the
it's
rain.
raining. It's raining, man. And
How was your shoot?
the shoot is a bit complicated. It's because it's a first time ni Mama na mag-shoot or to have this kind of session. And niamin po siya, lisod daw kay Kapoy Tindog, tas Kapoy rin mo artista. That's why wala ko nag-artista. Ako i-decline ka ng mga offers.
Okay guys, okay na. Tama na. Tama na. So if you are interested in doing the challenge, you can always contact us. We are available Thursdays and Fridays, and then yun lang.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!